Alright, little quick video today. If you come over here and look at my 2011 F-250, you see the headlights have faded, and it's kind of rare to see it like this for such a newer year, but this is a Texas truck, came from Texas, baked in the sun all day long, and just on the top of the headlights, the clear coat has deteriorated, or the UV coating has deteriorated, and the plastic is kind of screwed up. And there are many lens restoration systems you can do to try to fix these. I'm gonna be replacing these headlights, but I just wanted to try something to see if it would work. So what I did is this Zep Wet Look floor polish. I had this, I actually bought it to kind of renew the fiberglass siding on one of my RVs. So I just wanted to give this a try. I figured worst case scenario, I'm getting rid of the headlights anyway. So what I did is pour a little bit on a rag. Okay, so I got it on the rag. I'll just wipe it on. You can see instantly the result. The key is, I'm gonna wipe it in good, but you want to leave a little bit of a wet coat on there so it dries. Come over and look at this one real quick. See, it's dried and it's still pretty much clear. It's come back a little bit hazy, so now I'm going to do another coat on it. So there you go. It's pretty much, I mean, there's some other deep scratches in here that won't work on, but it's pretty much renewed. The fading on my headlights on my truck will definitely buy me a little bit of time until I get new ones. So just a little quick video, maybe it'll help you out. Try it on yours. See you next time.